Hi, it's Tessa, and we thought we'd present a video of a recent concrete pour we did on one of our projects, currently under construction and nearing completion. Here is the arrival of the first concrete truck, and he's slowly backing into place to allow the workers to begin their process. When everyone is set and ready to go, the concrete pour begins. After a section of the pour is done, some of the guys go back and start smoothing out the concrete. This initial stage of concrete finishing is called floating. This is happening while other parts of the pour continue ahead. This part of the pour involves some tricky timing. It's a set of concrete steps, and the concrete needs to be done in a certain order. So it can kind of set up a little, and so it doesn't all pour out of the bottom. The workers are hitting the form boards with a hammer to ensure that all the concrete settles correctly and there aren't any air pockets next to the forms. And leave voids after the concrete sets up and the boards are removed. I didn't realize how tricky a set of concrete steps were, but these guys are pros and are getting after it. After everything is floated, the concrete needs to set up a little bit before they can continue the finishing process. As they finish pouring in one area, they then move on to other areas and the process continues.